Hi, I'm Morgan. You're watching Missouri Valley Tech. Today I'll be taking my first look at MT3 profile keycaps from Massdrop.com. From this group buy, I ordered 4 different kits: the Cyrillic kit in alphas, the Ortho kit for modifiers, a collection of small blanks, and the Triumph numpad kit. So let's start with the Cyrillics. Get these opened up here. It looks like the keycaps bounced around a little bit. So these keycaps have Russian legends, as you can see, as opposed to standard Latin legends. And this is a PBT plastic keycap set made with dye sublimated legends, and it is a high profile set. So this is a bit different from SA profile, but it is still a high profile set. So let's pop a couple of these out and take a look here. So first off, the keycaps are matte. They're not glossy, unlike signature plastics, and the legend printing looks quite good. Texture is smooth. It's not bad. This is a lot better than some of the DSA keycaps that I've used from signature plastics. This is a lot smoother. It's more akin to something like a cherry profile set. The sculpt is significant, but nothing crazy. Let's see how this looks compared to a SA profile keycap. So this is the MT3 set compared to a signature plastic set. Let's come over here. You can see that the signature plastics is a lot taller, but not much. The sculpt is a bit different, but still pretty good. So get rid of this. So that is the Cyrillic set. And let's just pop these all out and get them all arranged. So there is the Cyrillic Otaku kit assembled. Next up, we'll take a look at what the Ortho kit looks like. Oh, interesting packaging. So it looks like with all the child kits, each individual key is wrapped. Not sure why they didn't just box these up like they did with the Cyrillic kit. That's weird. So that is the Cyrillic kit and the Ortho kit put together. Just in the first couple minutes of touching these and sorting them, the feel on these keycaps is great. They're matte but smooth. There's a little bit of texture there, but there's not a lot. The feeling on your finger of the spherical sort of top of the keycap here feels just really excellent. It just really cups your finger quite well. The dye sublimated printing on these is excellent. It looks really bold, really great. It's overall just a very nice sort of feel. Let's get this in focus. So you can see they really nailed the print on this. And the sculpt is definitely there. You can notice it, you can see it, but it's not crazy. When we look at row 1 keycaps here, so the row 1 sculpt is aggressive, but not too aggressive. And what's really nice is the bottom row also has a nice contrasting sculpt. So typing on these on a keyboard is going to feel really, really nice. So in that vein of using keyboard for typing, let's see what it's like to type on this. So this is my dedicated test ErgoDox board. As you can see, it's a little rough for wear, but this board is incredibly reliable and wonderful to type on. So I'm really curious to see what the MT3 profile keycaps are going to feel like on it. So I've got the keycaps on the ErgoDox here. As we can see, the fit is not perfect, especially on the sides here and in the thumb cluster. The kits that I ordered aren't specifically designed for the ErgoDox, but this is just the board I grabbed to try them out on. So let's see what it feels like to type on these. Get a couple of these pressed on in all the way. These feel excellent to type on. The keycaps really do cup your fingers. These homing row keys are really, really deep dish. They feel excellent. The other keys as you type feel nice. I like that the row 4 here starts to sculpt back up, so it feels really nice to type on. This is a really interesting set. So this Dev TTY set from Massdrop is the first for this new profile, and I assume that more will be coming eventually. And I look forward to seeing them because this feels really nice to type on. So that is a first look at the MT3 profile keycaps. Keep an eye out for Massdrop for when more sets in this profile get released. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and don't forget to hit like down below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.